Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm your girl Tanisha, and
Sheldon, people.
yes, and we want to welcome all new subscribers. Welcome to our channel.
Yes, guys. So right now we are on the Breton Hill, like at the extreme top.
Shelten, awesomeness. Shelten, awesome. Shelten, awesomeness. We're chilling with the Sharp family. We're chilling with the Sharp family.
Yes, guys. As the saying goes, just do it, just get it done. And for us, we don't want to be talking and not doing. So a part of our routine for 2021 is to become more health conscious. And a part of that journey is to incorporate Breton Hill in it. Yes, we are doing other things. We have some exercise routines that we do at home, but we have seen significant results, by coming to the Breton Hill.
Yeah.
And as a result, we decide that we will be coming here. It's not a commitment that we're going to be here every day, but at least 2 times for the week we will be up here.
Yeah.
Yes. And as usual, we invite you guys to come along. Come for the journey, and it can be fun, guys. It can
But
be
it's
fun.
not easy. It's not easy. I can tell you, it's not easy.
Yeah, it's not easy. It's not easy. It's not easy. But anything in life worth having, a lot of times it's not easy, guys. Remember that
And
one.
when you reach the top, it feels so good.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's why I was able to do this video, because I am right at the top now.
Yeah, and going down is pretty easy, guys.
Yeah.
Just need to reach the top. So as you see in the title below, this content is really about getting things done. 2021 just started. It's a brand new year, guys, and we know that towards the end of 2020, some of us made some resolutions for the new year.
Yeah.
Today is what, day 11 or day 12?
I think it's day 11, yeah.
Right. So what have you done so far, guys? What actions have you taken so far in comparison to what you said you were going to be doing come 2021? Are you still procrastinating?
Time to take some action.
Take action, guys.
Yes.
Or is it going to have all of 2021 finish and yourself? Jesus Christ. I said I was going to do these things, and up to now, words, my friends, words by themselves can do nothing. You have to get up and let the action speak for itself. And as we say, there's a lot of things that we'll be doing for 2021. And as time unfolds, guys, you will see.
Babes, 9 more days left. 9 more days.
People should keep on remind about our birthday, but we have it locked.
9 more days to go.
We have it locked, people. Just follow the channel and you will see. Her
Subscribe. Tell a friend.
Her birthday is sort out already, people.
To tell a friend.
Where the boss is?
About shelten.
Her birthday have a lock. Lit. Yeah, she been guessing where she going. I said, I don't know, but you're going somewhere. Yeah, she's going somewhere, people.
Okay, sir. Yes, I'm really looking forward to my birthday. If you know me, you know I'm crazy about birthdays. Yes, that's me. It's all about birthday for me, because once a year it come. Yes, so I'm gonna always try to go all out. Yeah, but I know my time to go all out now. Him to go all out. Him.
People, when it comes to birthday for me, they just work.
I treat myself to
birthday
stuff,
is a regular,
yes, but
a regular
I
day
him
for
to
me.
go all out.
But we realize that birthday for her is like a special day.
Yes.
So we're gonna make it special. That's all we say. We're gonna make it special, Yeah. So back to what we were saying earlier, guys. The title, getting things done. We're not gonna stop saying it. I think for almost every video for this year, we're gonna remind you, what have you done so far for 2021 that you said you were going to be doing at the end of 2020.
You said you want to start a business. What action you take?
You said you want a new job because your current job has stressed you. What actions have you taken? You say you're lonely and single and you want somebody in your life. What actions have you taken?
Ask yourself that.
Yeah, so it's all about taking action, guys. We have said many things, but we don't take action. So how you expect something gonna change? It will not change. You know, since we have met, we have taken many actions that have led us to where we are now, and we are pleased. You know, we feel good about where we are, but we still are not yet where we utmost want to be. But we are getting there. We are getting there. We are getting there. It's like every day, you know, you chop off a piece of the goal.
Yeah,
till you
but
reach the
once
big goal.
you're living, you're supposed to have goals. It doesn't matter what level you're at. You're
Yeah,
supposed
something
to have goals.
to challenge you.
Yes.
efforts.
What's the next level?
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's what we're about right now.
Yeah, 2021. I got love with people. It's gonna be, oh my god, you guys are great. But that's not it. We just take action. So right now we're on the line with taking action, and right now time is running, so we gotta get back to the video. So again, guys, thanks for tuning in. And as we say, you know, if you're new to the channel, welcome.
Welcome.
And remember to subscribe,
Welcome.
like up the video, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about shelten.
Shelten.
Yes, guys, we have lots of videos on the channel. Check them out. Alright? Peace out.